everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. And a die cutting tool is a must-have in my craft room. And the beauty of this Gemini Mini manual die cutting machine is that it's portable and requires no electricity. But at the same time, it's a really powerful unit and it's so easy to use because it's not a plate system. It's a folder that you put your die cut in and you use the handle to roll the die cut and the folder through the machine. And it also is excellent for embossing. And it's a really great size. You can fit some really good sized dies through the machine. And at the bottom, it even has really strong suction cups. So when you put it on the table or your workspace, it stays in place. I love the freedom that this Gemini Mini gives me because I can take this when I'm traveling. I like to craft when I'm traveling, and I don't have to worry about having access to electricity. And it's so powerful. It really works so well, and it's really very easy to use. And that's my point of view.